Oh.
For some reason, YouTube doesn't like it when a short is over 60 seconds and then you can't put a song. So this had music. It was Paul McCartney's English Tea, which is a nice, cute little song for this reel, whatever, short. Yeah, so anyways, just enjoy it without the music. Okay, have a good one. Bye-bye.